Multi-masking skincare. Multi-masking is an effective and increasingly popular skincare technique. It involves using multiple masks at the same time to target different areas of the face and treat specific skin concerns. For example, a clay mask can be used to draw out impurities and unclog pores, while a hydrating mask can be used to nourish and moisturize dry skin. Multi-masking is an easy and efficient way to customize your skin care routine and target specific areas of concern. It can also be used to create a more balanced complexion and improve overall skin health. Additionally, multi-masking can be a fun and enjoyable way to pamper yourself and give your skin the attention it deserves. When multi-masking, it is important to use natural products that are free of harsh chemicals and other additives. With the right products and approach, multi-masking can be an effective and enjoyable way to improve your skincare routine. Multi-masking is a popular skincare trend that involves applying different types of masks to different areas of the face to address specific skin concerns. The idea behind multi-masking is that different areas of the face may have different needs, and a one-size-fits-all approach to skincare may not be effective. By using multiple masks, you can target specific areas of the face and provide customized care for your skin. To get started with multi-masking, you'll need to identify your skin concerns. For example, if you have oily skin, you may want to use a clay mask on your T-zone to absorb excess oil, and a hydrating mask on your cheeks to moisturize dry areas. If you have acne-prone skin, you may want to use a spot treatment mask on blemishes and a soothing mask on sensitive areas. Once you've identified your skin concerns, you can choose the masks you want to use. There are many different types of masks available, including clay masks, sheet masks, peel-off masks, and more. You can also make your own masks at home using natural ingredients like honey, avocado, and oatmeal. To apply the masks, start by cleansing your face and patting it dry. Then, apply the masks to the appropriate areas of your face. You can use a brush or your fingers to apply the masks, depending on the type of mask you're using. Leave the masks on for the recommended amount of time, then rinse them off with warm water and pat your face dry. Multi-masking can help to address a variety of skin concerns at once and can be a fun and relaxing way to care for your skin. However, it's important to be careful not to overdo it and to pay attention to your skin's needs. Using too many masks or leaving them on for too long can be harsh on your skin and may cause irritation or dryness. It's also important to choose masks that are appropriate for your skin type and to test new products before using them. If you notice any redness, itching, or irritation, discontinue use immediately. In conclusion, multi-masking is a popular skincare trend that can provide customized care for your skin. By using different masks to target specific areas of the face, you can address a variety of skin concerns at once. However, it's important to be careful not to overdo it and to choose masks that are appropriate for your skin type. With proper